Okie dokie, one tarp, nice one as well. I've had this years and years. It's gone down from boat to boat to boat, so it's passed me down. And what I want to do, I want to put two eyelets, one here, one there, and a very crude eyelet maker, which is, that's the base, or whatever they want to call that, or whatever, it's the base. And I believe I've never done one of these in my life before, so we're having a go. This is the bit that goes through, so this will be under, this piece will be underneath, this piece will be underneath, this piece goes on top, and then this is the, I presume, is the tool to do it with. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a little hole, one here, right there, and one there, and I'm probably going to use a soldering iron just to make it nice and clean. And we want it and tight enough for this to fit through. There's that, the circumference of that. Okay, no soldering iron, so it's gone walkies. That usually happens with my tools. So I'm going to use a gas gun, and I found an old one of these. Just focus that in. There we go. I'm just going to warm it up and then push it through. Oh. Actually did a beautiful job. So I'm going to recommend that, or you can use a knife or a pair of scissors, whatever you want to do. But I'm using, just heated that up. Doesn't hurt it in any way whatsoever. You do it how you want, and I'll do it how I want. Right. Just have to put a little bit more heat, and just to make the hole a bit more smoother. Push it through nice and tight, and I'll do one on the other side as well. Okay, push the eyelet through the bottom. Make sure it's on a really good solid surface. I should take the canopy off really. You need to then put this, I can't know what they call that now, underneath. Make sure it sits in the bowl properly. See that? Put the one over the top, like so. This is the, must be one of the cheapest actual things you can ever buy, you know, tool. Now, I've never done one before, so bear with me. Ooh, ooh. That's impressive. I like that. Oh, I could do loads of these now. I'd love to do this all day. Right, so put the new one, another one through. Let's see if we can get him through. Oh, that one's a bit, I think it's got some jagged edges on that. Oh, let me just clean that up a little bit. Okay, I just cleaned them a little bit. I just used a pair of, where are we? Oh, a pair of snippers I used. There, just to clean the hole up. That was it. Push him through. There we go. Put the base on. Make sure he sits on properly. Put the ring. The ring goes, there's sort of two sides to it. You've got a nice smooth finish and a hollow in between. Put the hollow side down. That's the tool upside down. Not upside down. Whatever. You got it. Okay. Mind your fingers. Look at that. Look at that. I think it must have been all of about £4 for the actual lot, for the eyelets and the tool. So all you get is that, and some eyelets. Keep in a little handy box. It's like a little sandwich, I don't know what this is, snack box or something. Yeah. And that's it. How to do eyelets. Very easy, very quick, very easy video, very quick video. I mean, take care. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Bye.